Good morning, students. I am Dr. Nitesh Kumar Mishra, Assistant Professor of NUSM. Today's my topic is how to write a letter, and this lecture for the second part. So enjoy in this class and learn how to write a letter. And if you learn, then you know pen is mightier than sword. So learn how to write a letter. Letters are messages in certain letter form have been established by experience and custom as the most useful, not learned and used by every letter writer. There are two. There are two kinds of letters: formal letters or informal letters. Formal letters or informal letters. What is the difference? Formal letters. These letters follow a certain pattern and formality. These letters follow a certain pattern or formality. You cannot add extra and unnecessary word or topic in this letter as application, business letter. Okay? An informal letter. These are personal letter. Informal letter. These are personal letter. When I write to father, brother, mother, sister, friend, and our relatives, then it is known as informal letter or personal letter. They need not follow any pattern or certain forms. You write anything which you want to write. But the difference between formal letter and informal letter, when you write a formal letter, you add to the point, nothing else. But in informal letter, in personal letter, you add something about your personal experience, your family experience, in your society, which you want to say. Informal letter is not long, but informal letter is very long. Formal letter is not long. It is to the point. What you want to give the message to the boss, to the principal, to the teacher, to the business partner. So you write in formal letter. But when you write in formal letter, there are no certain pattern and formality. You write everything which do you want to wish. Okay? Do you understand? Both formal letter and informal letter. And next, in all kinds of letter, there are 5 points of form to be attained to, namely, when you write any letter, you need know 5 points which help you to write a good letter. At first, the heading consists of the writer's address and the date. When you write a letter, at the first, you write address and date. It is must. As you write, the courteous greeting and solution. The second point is the courteous greeting and solution. And third, communication or to the point message, the body of letter, the main parts of the letter, the body of the letter, and fourth, the subscription or conclusion. What you want to say, so put on in a 1 line or 2 lines. And at the last, you put the signature on the letter, and when your letter is complete, when your letter is completed, when your letter is completed, then you take an envelope and put the letter and write on the envelope the address and then send to the post office. Okay, thank you. Then ask me. In next class, I'll talk to you the different types of letter.